morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Monday. It's the 10th of August. We're into week 2 now in earnest. Yesterday, Logan Airport reached 90 degrees for a couple of hours, and that was the third such 90-degree day this month in a row. So therefore, we had a heat wave. It's an official heat wave, and it's the second heat wave of the year so far in Boston. If we were to reach 90 degrees again today, then that would be day 4, and that would tie the heat wave that we saw in terms of days, not in terms of intensity, but in terms of days, it would tie the heat wave that we saw back in July 1 through the 4. Now, what's interesting is even places like Norwood, which reached 90 degrees actually for a fourth day, so they tied it. If they did it again today, it would actually be their longest heat wave. But this is it. We haven't had a lot of heat waves here prior to this. This year, we've had a bunch of, couple of back-to-back 90-degree days, but we just haven't had a lot of multiple 90-degree days like 5, 6, 7, 8, or anything like that. So today, 85 to 90, humidity, maybe a shower thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening west of 128. So we head for tonight down into the 60s, but stays in the low 70s in Boston. Tomorrow, sunshine, temperatures in the mid-80s. By the way, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs in offices in Concord, also up there in Danvers. They also have an office in Needham, and they're on Cape Cod. So check them out. Now, we do have 80s on Wednesday as well, and then a front approaches on Thursday. In terms of humidity, it's pretty high today, I think in the mid to upper 60s. We may nudge 70 for a couple of hours, and then we'll back off a little bit here Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll really back off at the end of the week. I think dew points go down to the 50s. Have a great morning, everybody.